Y'all, my eggplant is making me feel like I am not a loser. Because I am losing this year. Some of these plants doing me so bad. Jeez. And I wonder if I can still spray the water, the mixing water, to save some of these plants that smell mildew. Y'all see it? See how bad they looking? Dang, come on now. And of course, when I listen to y'all, I got way more tomatoes this year than I did last year. So I am doing something right. I had to get rid of him. There's a red bug. How bugs don't go to heaven? I'm trying to tell you. Ate my plant up. Wherever that was, look like I'm gonna be growing it. Buying it from the store. It's just been raining so bad. I was upset because Texas was getting all the rain, but they could have kept their rain. Doing my plants like this.
We got about 4 days to rain.
How long it's been? 4 days? Yeah. I moved my sweet potato plants. I'm wanting way more sweet potatoes in this little area. But then I seen somebody and they had so many potatoes came out of the area like that. I might have should let them stay. But it was all in the walkway. And look at this plant. See? My potatoes look good though. Ain't that beautiful? Look like something you'll buy in the store. Yes, goodness. I'm so thankful for that. I'm putting my pieces. Big Mama and Irene. Tell me what kind of pepper this is. I have a bunch of them on a tree. And I wonder if I can make pepper sauce with this. That ain't nothing to mess with. You know what I'm saying? So let me know.